Bro, hey y'all, look, check this. YouTube. How about, man, we got kicked out the shop. Black and G keep going at it. I don't know what the hell going on. I been knowing what's going on, but I don't know what's been going on lately, man. So we just got booted. We just got the whole boot from the shop, bro. They won't take the rent money no more. They won't take, oh, man. So, oh, man, y'all gotta stay tuned in, bro. This is wild, bro. Like, y'all gotta hear this shit, bro.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh, man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like fraud. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Mad Mark's car is back with another one. Yeah, man. Take y'all on a ride today, man. Tell y'all what's going on, man. I ain't been posting, I ain't been dropping like I'm supposed to. You know, so I've been at real standstill, y'all. But you know what I'm saying? I'm about to let y'all know what's going on. You feel me? Like, it's been a lot going on. And it's a new year, you dig? So, update, quick update, y'all. Trailblazer SS, well, the Trailblazer LT converted into the SS. I'm doing the rest of the work myself. You know what I'm saying? My man's moved to another shop. You know what I'm saying? He done got into it with the other dude at the shop, so y'all know how they go, bro. Just get out my belongings, and I'll try to finish the job myself. I ain't gonna say try. I'm gonna finish the job myself. It's more content for you guys, and I need to learn how to do these, you know what I'm saying, wiring up these LSs and all that myself anyway, bro. So I'm going to attack that, bro. Hey, I know I got the shop bed GMCC era. That's coming home too. You know what I'm saying? I've been told you I'm gonna do that whole truck myself. So, cause Black, like, I still gotta do stuff to the shop bed. Bro, I'm doing everything to the short bed myself. So I really don't need you to do nothing but go on and bring it from the back. So I go and bring it to the house. You know what I'm saying? See, y'all know Black's supposed to be doing the Trailblazer SS conversion. The transmission has already been put in. The engine has already been put in. So basically, all I have to do is put my headers on exhaust. Headers on exhaust. What kind of fan I'm gonna go with? I'm trying to see if I'm still go with that fan that's on the engine. But I already bought an electric fan, so I can delete the fan that's on the engine. You know, radiator. You know what I'm saying? EGK spark plug. You know what I'm saying? I'm going with better spark plug wires. What else? 160 degree thermostat was at 180. It's 180 or 160 degree thermostat. What else? Man, there's a lot of little stuff, man, I'm doing to that truck, man. Like, if you really been tuned in, you know that. That Trailblazer, this is the third engine the Trailblazer has had. Second transmission. You know what I'm saying? So, like, that's my baby. Like, I had that truck for a while, bro. I made so much money with that truck. Like, that truck ain't never let me down. Never left me stranded nowhere. I've been out of town in it a couple times. All that, man. So the truck deserves to have the money put in it. You know what I'm saying? And it's nothing like a Trailblazer SS, bro. Like, the Trailblazer SS? Come on, bro. Like, you can't find. If you do find a Trailblazer SS, everybody wants nothing less than 20,000 for it. Like, when it comes to just buying them, like, anytime somebody wreck them, they fix them. You can't ever find a red Trailblazer just to get the stuff off of it to do another build. Every time one gets wrecked, the person who wrecked it repairs the truck. I mean, everybody repairs that truck, bro. When that Trailblazer SS get wrecked, everybody repairs it, bro. Everybody. To the point you really can never find none, bro. And let alone find one that you can pull stuff off of to put on yours or to turn yours into a SS. Like, bro, you can't find them, bro. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, just for the stuff I got for mine, I waited almost 2 years, bro, and I still didn't find the stuff. My partner called me my partner called me and was like, bro, they got a Trailblazer SS down here in Snellville. It's wrecked though. Snellville, Georgia, by the way. But it's wrecked though. So I'm like, shit, like, I'm gonna check it out. And I pulled up on that truck, bro, check it out. But I was the first person to check it out. Like, it's so crazy. Like, matter of fact, here's the video right here. Like, bro, I was, man, I took the rims out that truck ASAP and threw them on my truck, you know what I'm saying? Left my rims down there, came back the next day to get the rest of the other stuff. And the SS, you know, the cover for the engine, the SS cover, man, how about they had sold it or hid it, and I was asking for it. That's why they don't know where it's at. And I was like, bro, I put it up in the back of the truck, bro. I know exactly where I put that cover in. So, and people charge $100 and $150 for that cover. So, I was about to go back and forth with them. I'm like, damn, I bought the whole set. I bought the engine, all this stuff, bro. Y'all can't, damn, y'all gonna take the hide the cover from me like that? No, bro, some Mexicans, bro. Like, damn, bro. Like, I just gave y'all almost $5,000. And I can't have the SS cover to the engine? Damn. But, man, long story short, man, like I said, man, it's on the way to the house. I'm about to take it to the house, man, put it in my garage, man, and we're gonna get going on it, man, cause, like, I been driving my truck, man. I like this Durango, but it's not the Trailblazer, you know? And I liked my Trailblazer before I put this LS2 with it. So now this LS2 with it, whoo, yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's time to go crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm burning Toyo prices up, boy. I'm getting these small Toyo prices. I'm burning them guys up. Nah, like, for real, like, bro, the boss Chevy, that cross-period bolt screw, bro. That cross-period bolt screw been kicking my ass, y'all. It's been kicking my ass, y'all. So I was just told from Black Boy told me, when it comes to them old cars like that, the tools don't go in metric. I said, what? Bro, I never knew that, bro. I never knew that, bro. I stripped that bitch off the muscle then, bro. I never knew that. So you learn something new every day. I never knew that, bro. I never knew the old cars don't go by metric. That's wild. So the 8mm is not what I'm supposed to use for that shit. You feel me? Like, bro, Black said, I can get off for you. Man, I'm willing to, bro, I'm gonna pay you whatever, but I gotta get that off. I'm supposed to be riding it, man. I need him to get that off, bro. I'm supposed to be riding that box Chevy like this here, man. You feel me? Burnt on gut. You know what I'm saying? Posse, man. Oh, man, burning the rally tires up, man. That's what I'm trying to do, man. I'm trying to enjoy myself. But, God, that boy dropped some jewels on me then. I never knew that, bro. I never knew that. He's like, hey, I know you stripped that motherfucker then. You know that. Stripped the hell out of it. You feel me? Like, bro, I'm trying to get back active with my cars and stuff, bro. Man, this junk crazy, bro. I gotta get a better jack too, man. Cause that little jack I got, oh, no. I gotta go 3 ton, man. Gonna go get me one of these 3 ton jacks. Really about 1 or 2 of them. Really need about 2 of them. But I do one for now. You know what I'm saying? One of these 3 ton jacks. So I get everything, so I can jack the thing up properly, man, so I can really get out there like I supposed to, you feel me? I was wondering why that thing won't jack up high like that, bro, because the jack not fucking big enough. Duh! So, yeah, man. That box shit, I'm trying to go now to finish the box shit all the way, trying to go and finish it all the way, bro. Trying to go all the way to complete it. Go and jump on the GMC Sierra. You know, I've never done, well, the body on the GMC Sierra is done, it just need to be painted in. You know what I'm saying? A lot of other little things, but I'm gonna jump on that Trailblazer. That thing, like I said, coming home. Like, jump on that. You feel me? It'd be best to work in my garage too, bro. I would really just be outside and shit. See, I can really easily bring a heater inside the garage if it's too cold. You know what I'm saying? That's nothing. You feel me? So Trailblazer, like I said, man, Trailblazer, I'm about to go knock that out, bro. I've been wanting to drive my truck so bad, bro. It be so much stuff going on, bro. I be having things going on. You know, I had a couple deaths last year. Lost my mom last year. You feel me? Like, but mechanic, black boy, be having a lot of things going on. Man, it just be a lot of stuff going on, bro. It be a lot of stuff going on, bro. And I've been, you know, so I've been steady staying focused and trying to keep going. But some things, bro, You just gotta take a little time to reflect, bro. You know what I'm saying? Get your mind right, bro. You feel me? Because if your mind ain't right, then ain't no telling where you gonna end up at or what you gonna do. You feel me? So I had to sit down and reflect and get my mind right, bro. Like real shit, bro. Like that's for anybody, bro. You gotta get your mind. You gotta give yourself time to get your mind right. You feel me? For real, cause everybody go through stuff, bro. We all humans. You know what I'm saying? We all humans, bro. You feel me? And me being a male, I don't really talk to people about my problems and stuff I be having going on. So I keep a lot of it, you feel me? But I'm in my right mind, man, and a lot of things a lot of things you just can't help, bro. You feel me? Life is life, man. Life really been life. You feel me? But I'm steady going. Mad Mark Clark, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna stay focused. You keep my eyes on the prize, man. We're gonna knock the rest of these bills out. You feel me? Cause I'm ready to enjoy my stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm ready to enjoy the fruits of my labor. You need. For real, for real. Come on, what you doing, buddy? On the bike, what you doing, buddy? Y'all the street, buddy? Yeah, y'all, man. So, man, you know, I don't be trying to talk y'all ear off and shit, you feel me?